Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join me today. This week we're going to be making a rabbit using paper. The first step is going to be to use the template in our description to cut out all of these different shapes. Then you're going to trace them onto different shades of colored paper and cut them out. The next step is going to be to arrange all of those shapes onto another piece of colored paper into the shape of a bunny like you can see me do here. Then you're going to glue them all down once you have them in the right spot. The reason we're making a rabbit today is because one of Ireland's national animals is the Irish hare. Did you know that a bunny and a rabbit are technically different animals? Now you can use markers, paint, or whatever you'd like to decorate your bunny however you want. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and don't forget to tune in next week for more crafts, stories, and words from the Irish language. Until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán! See you next time.